Kia ora everyone, my name is Camilo and today we are going to talk about how to eat healthy without counting calories. Okay, so there's a lot of confusion on what's the ideal diet for human beings. I am pretty sure you have heard maybe one of them like Atkins, Keto, Paleo, vegan and so many others. So the question remains, what should I follow? I am going to share with you some insights that I have learned throughout school. Though remember, it's always more important to ask your nutritionist or doctor before trying anything else. What I have learned, it's quite simple. The solution is eating whole food, plant-based diet. In other words, returning to nature. Why? There are many reasons, and one of them is one study called the China Study by a professor at Cornell University. For more than 20 years, he studied rural populations in China, and he found that the people there have an active lifestyle and had a whole foods plant-based diet. In addition, there is one Norway study that I will leave the description below and you can find more about that, and it basically talks about how consuming excess red meat cannot be beneficial for your heart health. Following, we know that a whole foods plant-based diet primarily consists of fruits, vegetables, whole grains like pasta, brown rice, but remember whole grains meaning it has fiber, nuts, seeds and healthy fats. If you have a look at this plate, this is an ideal kind of dish we should be aiming to eat. Now, if we are dividing that in the next picture, we can see that about 50% of our plate should be of fruits and vegetables. About 25% should be whole grains, 25% protein, meaning if you are vegetarian, it can be tofu, legumes, and so forth, or if you are omnivore, your fish, your chicken, or your meat. And healthy fats are referring to those that are unsaturated, such as peanut butter, avocado, olive oil, and so many others. I am going to leave in the description below other websites to understand how to get started in this diet and why it works for so many people and why many researchers are supporting it. Now, if you are focusing on weight loss, of course this diet is going to help you and for sure. But there is one last recommendation I would like to give you, and it's focusing on low glycemic index carbs over high glycemic index carbs. I am going to leave you the description of a research that supports this, and what that basically means is that high glycemic index carbs trigger the sugar in your bloodstream and thus it's more likely that fat will accumulate in your tissues. Therefore, you have to focus on things such as sweet potatoes, such as vegetables, instead of like simple carbohydrates like white bread, white pasta, cereals, ice cream, and so many others. Lastly, it's also good to increase the amount of protein you eat over the high glycemic index carbs because they are going to promote keeping muscle and they also promote fullness in your body. If you have any questions, please let me know. Write them down in the comment section. Also, if you found the video helpful, please leave your like button and I hope to see you soon.